How do I turn a Python datetime into a string with readable format date? How do I turn that into a string?
The datetime class has a method stringformatting. The Python docs documents the different formats it accepts. Python 2, stringtime behavior. Python 3, stringtime behavior. For this specific example, it would look something like
Here is how you can accomplish the same using Python's general formatting function. The formatting characters used here are the same as those used by stringtime. Don't miss the leading column in the format specifier. Using format instead of stringtime in most cases can make the code more readable, easier to write and consistent with the way formatted output is generated. Compare the above with the following stringtime alternative. Moreover, the following is not going to work. And so on.
Using f-strings in Python 3.6+.
Very old question, I know. But with the new f-strings, starting from Python 3.6, there are fresh options. So here for completeness. Stringtime and stringtime behavior explains what the format specifiers mean.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.